Hi, I'm Chef Mark Ormonde of the North Restaurant. And today we're going to be preparing an amazing meal at this beautiful Napoleon barbecue, which is the Prestige Pro 665. This grill's perfect. It's got everything you need for professional backyard grilling. I'm going to do a dessert with bananas. This is one of my favorite things to eat. So we're going to skewer the bananas. And you don't want the bananas to be too ripe. A little bit green is okay. A little bit of maple syrup with a little bit of mint. A little more maple syrup on them. So now we're going to put some whipped cream on the bananas. It's like a banana split, really. You have some caramel sauce over them, some raspberry sauce, a little bit of chocolate. You have some berries that go on there. And we have our barbecued bananas. So we have the Prestige Pro 665 banana barbecue dessert. Brought to you by Napoleon.